Hello everybody, today we are playing some Beast Wars Simulator, and we're doing episode 1 of Noob to Pro. Alright, let's claim our hide. Alright, we got our B. Let's do a little bit of codes. If you guys want to know some codes, here we go. Link. Indie line boost.
Is that you, Larry?
Yep.
Yes. Yes.
Let me think of another. I don't think I have another, but I will think of something. Oh, roof.
What's the code again?
Mondo outage. Right here. I will spell it on my computer.
This is Mondo. And do you know?
Alright, here's how you spell it. Look at my computer.
M-O-D-O.
Yep. M-O.
And then O. Then.
Alright, Mondo outage. Here you go. There you go. You have to go on mountaintop. There's the Mondo outage. Alright, let's get some pollen, guys. We got 5,000 pollen. Okay. Ooh, look at that. That's a big honey. Gonna be big honey. By the way, you haven't said hi, Jackson.
Hi.
Alright, you guys, we got some basic eggs. We got 2. Gotta hatch 1. And hatch 2. Alright, let's make some honey. Alright, guys, we're done making the honey. I mean, that's funny. Alright, guys, we gotta do some quests. We gotta go as fast as we can, guys. We gotta get to Noob to Godly. Gotta get to this. And that honey. Alright, guys, we gotta finish his quest. Alright, guys. It's kind of like a speed run, but not really. I'm just trying to play the game a little normal. We gotta grind a little bit. We'll do some codes. Well, I got another code. Hold on, we gotta go up here. Oh, and there's some roller jelly. Forgot about this. Hey, guys. There's another code up there, which is 38217. Yep, guys, this is a code. 5 tickets, guys. We already have 20. That's an epic win-win. Oh, I got royal jelly. Don't worry, guys. This will be helpful. Restful. Ooh, dandelion. That's gonna be easy peasy lemon squeezy. Known as we have a lot of bees. Man, guys, we're doing so well. It's all because of those codes, too. Gotta get a little honey. Hey, Jackson, can you summon a honey storm? No, actually. Did you leave? Alright. There's my brother.
You guys want to go to the trampoline?
Sure, soon.
Sorry, guys.
Alright. Sorry, this is my brother. This is my sister. Alright, my brother left it. It's okay. But we'll still go through this all, okay, guys? Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more content, and if you want to see my actual username. This is just an alt die19405. If you guys want to look for that username, you can, guys. If you want to friend him, you can play with me and other things. Alright, like 500 pollen. Alright, we gotta do some little widget. Oh, got 20 tickets. We get an upgrade to another backpack. Oh, don't forget we get enough honey to get the clippers. Alright, let's do this. Don't worry, this could be easy. See, look at this. Bop. See already, guys? I'm a good gamer. Let's see if we get the 15 subscribers by the end of this year. Yeah, do a little part. Let's do this. $600 red pollen. Easy. Now, right now, guys, let's do this. Alright, guys, we got level 2 Rascal B. Let's go. Alright, guys, let's go back to the grind. Let's go to get red pollen over here. Plain and simple. Got a little ladybug. Easy. Alright, guys. We can do more FNAF soon. I promise, we'll do more FNAF. I saw a leaf here. No, I don't want any. I don't want it. No. I didn't want any. Honey. I have to get these little sparkles. No, I can't get the sparkles. I can. I guess just go back to it. Got sparkles. Ooh, treat. Man. Although I did finish the quest. I had to use a ticket there, sorry guys. Get another B. And right now, let's read it right there. Got that. Alright, we gotta do another quest, 1,000 blue pollen. Alright. And we will do some dungeon quests soon. Gotta do this. Hold up, guys. I gotta do a little parkour. I know I still see Mother Bear. This parkour is easy. Lemon's wheezy. Can't make sure that none of them get the pollen. Gotta make sure. Oh, 2 of them did. Wasn't planning that, but We did it. We got 1 royal jelly. Now we should spend it. We got cool bee. We gotta talk to Mother Bear about this. We can't feed our bees without permission. Alright, guys. You gotta get permission. Alright, guys. I was able to get permission to get a treat, feed a treat, because if they get too many treats, they'll go really crazy. Thank you. Alright, guys, we got got another 5. We gotta feed 5 treats. Alright, guys, we gotta feed 5 of them to this guy. He's gonna get a little crazy. Well, not really that time. So that's 2, 3. No. Basically love sunflowers. Don't worry, guys, it's there we go, I finished the quest. A couple of level 3s. Gotta be a pro. We're gonna be ending it off soon after we finish a couple more quests. Or after, yeah. Thank you. We got 3 more treats. Feed 10 treats to your bees. Feed 1 sunflower seed. Oh, apparently we already have that, so just feed that to him. Feed 10 of these to you. Right. Just feed 10 of these to him. How about that? 4, 5. Oh, thank you. I have no problem with this. Right. Oh, we finished our quest, guys. Just do that because we need a level 4 bee, guys. Don't worry, it's not that opinional. Raise 3 bees to level 4. Use 1 Yori jelly. Thank you. Or actual simple one. Rage bee, let's go. Alright, feed 15 treats to your bees. Alright, there we go. If you guys enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. And if you enjoy these videos, I will do more content. Goodbye!